User accounts can become inactive for different reasons. Users leave the organization, go on maternity or paternity leave, and take sabbaticals. In these cases, if a user does not need access to his or her account for a period, you should disable the account rather than deleting it. Even if a user has left the organization, it is a best practice to disable the user account until you are sure that no one will need it. This is particularly true if a user has a mailbox on your Exchange server. If you delete the user from ADDS, then you also delete the user's mailbox. You might need to retain the user's mail, and restoring a user account and the associated mailbox is time-consuming. To disable a user account, locate and select the account in Active Directory Administrative Center, and then in the Tasks pane, click Disable. To enable an account, click Enable in the Tasks pane. Creating new users usually involves setting multiple attributes for the user. This can be time-consuming and tedious, especially if you are creating multiple users. User templates can reduce the effort required to create new user accounts. They also reduce the chance of errors when setting properties for users. Most users in a department, business unit, or OU will share many common attributes, such as group memberships and home directory locations. In ADDS, a user template is simply an account that you configure with all the properties that are common to that job role or department. For example, you might create a user account named sales_template that has all the attributes that apply to your salespeople. Then, when your organization hires a new salesperson, you can copy the template to create the new account. Note, best practices include disabling the template account so that no one can use it to sign in, and putting an underscore at the beginning of the name so that the template account is always at the top of the user list and easy to locate. Only the most commonly used attributes are copied from the template over to the new user account. These include group memberships, home directories, profile settings, logon scripts, logon hours, password settings, department name, manager. When you copy an account, you must provide the following information for the new account: first name, last name, full name, user logon name, password. Attribute fields that are not copied from the template include office, phone numbers, street address, job title,